We read about Bard of Avon, the story of William Shakespeare. Tell me about it. Riel, Isaiah first. Yan.
There is a flag that means that there's a play.
Okay.
And then there's a circle.
Tell me about the marriage of William Shakespeare, Riel.
They don't have happy marriage.
Mm-hmm.
They got 3 kids.
Mm-hmm.
There's 2 girls and 3 boys. That is his family.
Yung siblings niya. 3 boys and 2 girls. Yes, that's correct. What else?
And if there's a flag, that means there's a play.
Mm-hmm.
And his family doesn't like it, the marriage.
His parents, yes. All right. Because
that he's younger and the girl is older.
Who is younger?
William.
William. Who is older?
Hannah?
Anne. Si Anne. Okay. And then?
And then they had 2 twins and 1 girl.
1 twin. Twin is already 2. When you say 1 twin, it means there are 2. When you say 2 twins, it means 4. Kasi this is 1 twin and this is another twin. When you put it together, it becomes 4. So 1 twin is 2. They had 1 twin and 1 girl. Okay. Anything else? How about the theater? Tell me about the theater.
The theater is a big house.
Yes.
And there's people watching.
True, that's true.
There's in the middle. There's many of them.
Yes, there's the middle. Okay.
And then there's a lot of people here, here, and here.
All right. Anything else?
That's it.
Bye.